Okay, here's the tutorial for my Lego Japanese Lego puzzle box number 3 version 2. The base plate is, I think, the same as the version 1 of this. Just flat pieces all around. Yeah, and here the tape will be here, and you need 3x2 there, and then you put a 2x4 here. Now this piece, I can see if I make. Now I made this a little red, so I made this in colors. So yeah, if you don't have the pieces, try to make it still make it. Now it's 2 flat pieces and it's 1 brick height, but you have flat pieces on the top. And here is how it look afterwards. Or wait, while sorry. Here's a piece, 1 by 1 there. Then I put a piece like this right on here, and then I just pulled like this, and yeah, I hope you understand. Then you put a one like that, and then a flat piece, and you just pull up there, so it's just like that. That piece will be here. Now this piece here, back here, I think it looks as pretty much like the one before. Now I made this, so here's you see it goes, and this also holds this 3x1 and in place. Then I just pulled, yeah, I just pulled on, yeah, 3x1, 2x1, yeah, 3x1, 2x1. I hope you understand. It will go here. If you don't understand, please send comment or message, yeah, what you didn't understand, and then we make it. Now 3x2, 2x2, 1x1, 2x1, 2x1. Yeah, that's the ground. Here how I have 4x1, 3x1, 4x1. Actually I have put like this, just like that. That one there, and this will be flat here, So no, it doesn't have. Well, this piece looks like this. This is 2 1x1s, and where that goes, it goes right here. That will stay here. And why is it a hole here? This piece, yeah, like that, and then it goes up like that. This, I think you see how it's pulled. This, no. Okay, this slide, but it can't slide anymore because this blocks it. But that allows it. No. Sorry for that. You slide that, slide that, slide that. So, and when that is out, you can slide this, and you slide that. Then you can slide one more time, so you get it out. Thanks for watching. Oh, and this is like the roof, as that is 2 down. Actually, you don't have to have 2 flat pieces high. I just did it, I don't know why. Please subscribe if you